Let me love more, I just know. Let me love more.
What is up, South Africa? I am Sinegugu Hlengane, a girl born in South Africa. I occasionally do videos. I don't quite consider myself a YouTuber, and I'm coming to you today with a hair review video. So I'm going to be reviewing the hair that I have on right now. This is a 360 lace wig. Okay, so let me just take out of that hair tie. So as you can see, this is a 360 lace wig. I got it from Hair Kingdom SA. I will link their details down below. By the way, this video is not at all sponsored by them. This is just me doing a hair review. So I got this hair on Thursday. As you can see, it's a lace wig. It's not all the way glued. You can see over here, you can see my tracks. So it's not all the way glued. So I got the hair on, through the postnet. It came in a package like this. Wait. In a package like this. I don't want to show my number and address online. So, and then just through your local postnet. And inside of that, they had a pink bag. It was a very cute bag. But unfortunately, mine did get damaged through shipping and all of that. So it came in a pink bag like this. Nothing really important about it. Then as you open it, my hair came wrapped in this gold paper. Now I must say, I was a little bit disappointed with the packaging and that the hair was simply wrapped in a gold paper. There was no formal packaging or any such thing. And the fact that it did easily get damaged in the post. Like they could have at least put it in a box. I did see, however, that currently they do have new packaging. I saw it on their Instagram page. I think it is more boxes, so it should hold better. So this hair is grade 10A Peruvian. It has a 360 lace wig. Let me just quickly try and show you. It has a 360 lace wig. As you can see, I've tried to glue it all the way across. Yeah, so I'm sure it can be a 3-part, but unfortunately mine, it is a 3-part now. But in like it, guys, is that like I did, like, let me just quickly try and show you guys. I'm just gonna use a makeup brush because my life, like, it doesn't hold right, and then you have to like straighten and dry and this and that. It doesn't have the actual partings already there, as you guys can already see with this one here as well. The partings are not there, so you do have to create your own partings, which of course does then expose the hair to a lot of heat damage and a lot of just too much heat and processing of that. We're not processing like in terms of chemicals, but you get what I mean, and brushing and all of that. So sorry, I do have a bit of gel sticking out. Well, that didn't work. So anyway, guys, this, like I said, is grade 10A Peruvian straight, to my knowledge. It wasn't completely straight, which obviously is never going to be completely straight, which I'm fine with it. So I definitely do like the texture of it. As you guys can see, I did only brush this hair like this morning, and it still definitely does go through. When I was told that this was 20 inch, so what was I thinking? This is 20 inches, but I definitely feel like it is a bit longer, unless it's just me being short. Let me just try and move back so that you guys can see all of this. Oh, sorry. So it looks like this, right? So it looks like this, and it's very long, even down the back. I'm not the tallest. I think I'm like 5'1". So all of you guys know that I'm not the tallest person. But I definitely would recommend that you guys do buy from Hair Kingdom SA. This hair, I'm not one who usually likes to talk about how much I pay for hair or pay for anything because it's unnecessary. You guys could just go on their Instagram page. It is at Hair Kingdom SA. I definitely would recommend it. So what I used to lay my edges and pretty much just, I did try to like lay a bit of the hair, but I'm new to this. I didn't even get a professional. I did get a family friend who is a hairstylist to help cut. So she definitely did a very good job in the cutting and because there was lace all through the like hair, so which obviously it is a 360 lace wig, so there definitely was hair all through it, and I found that she cut it very well and we worked through it together. Unfortunately, we didn't have the clear glue. Also, guys, please do suggest what glue can we use in South Africa, because all I keep on seeing is the Got to Be Glued, which is an international brand. I don't think we have it in South Africa. Or where can I order it online? I really appreciate that. Please leave that in the comments section down below, or you email me, whatever. Comments are easier and quicker. So as I was saying, we definitely did that. So we did use a bit of black glue. You can't really see it in the front. I'm not sure if you can even see it at the back. Okay, actually you can't. So it's a bit shiny here because I just fixed this now, but easily fixed with a makeup brush. And as you guys can see, like, the hair has like nice movement. Like, it's a very nice movement. I definitely would suggest it. As I said, I am not sponsored for this video. If you want to sponsor me though, hello. So yeah, feel free to contact me, do anything. There isn't really much to say about this, except for it definitely, like, can you guys see this? I did get makeup on my edges, so it looks a bit crazy here because this is all makeup. It's not thing lifting, but I only really stuck down the sides and towards the back. I didn't stick down my own hair here. I was gonna show you guys the gel that I used. I used this Revlon Flex Silk and Protein. I used the Maxi Strength one. It is a styling gel, obviously, but I did see Sinegugu Hlengane using it as a lace glue. I don't know how that worked, because for me it didn't work. So maybe I did it wrong, I don't know, but for me it didn't work. I saw it in her review from last week and the one that she did like a couple of months back. So please do suggest anything. I would really appreciate. Let me know what else you'd like to see in my videos, and let us continue to grow together. Let us love, share love. And guys, happy belated Easter. I am so far behind on like everything, but my Instagram has been up to date, so that should still work fine.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, or I'm not listening, or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather